Dr. Maria, I have a question about the memory because I learned that there are a lot of books explaining the theory of practicing. If you're committed to a sport for more than 10,000 hours, you're going to become experts in the sports or instruments. So it's kind of you're going to convert some kind of unconscious skills or memory about the skills into uh, unconscious into unconscious mastery of that sport or instrument. Is it about muscle memory after practicing or some kind of mechanism about memory? Can you explain it?
Yeah, sure. Right now? Okay, so in this case, we are working with different brain structures. When we are learning completely new skills, we involve a lot of brain structures because we have to control each movement, especially in physical activities. So, for example, when I practice figure skating, I involve a lot of frontal control zones because they involve our executive functions, and we have to be sure that each movement is performed correctly. But after practice, we don't need to correct and to be attentive all the time. So other brain structures, like cerebellum or the encephalon, can take control on the movements without involving frontal lobes of the brain. So here's the answer. The more we practice, the more freedom we give to our frontal zones. So the easier we can perform that because it takes much less energy. I
So it's
guess.
more so it's more about the brain mechanism of motor. If you leave more space for the frontal lobe, and we can move the control part for the sports into the parts in our brain that is responsible for uh, autonomic autonomic programming.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's kind of process of learning. Uh, First, we need to control everything, and then it's like opening your own business. When you are a small businessman, you have to be involved in all the processes. When you're growing your business, you can hire more people who will take care of different parts of your business. So you have to control only the main activities, the main directions. The same happens in our brain because the brain is a kind of director of the big company called yourself, called personality.
Thank you.
Thank you.